Hello everyone, welcome to Nazvilla. The topic for today is job application. It means to apply for a job. It is very important और सबको ये एग्ज़ाम में अटेम्प्ट करना ही है. The thing is, the format always remains the same. इसका फॉर्मेट कभी चेंज नहीं होगा चाहे कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो. So first we will discuss the format, then we will see an example which you have to write down in your notebook, and I'm sure by the end of the video you will memorize it. Now let's start. First you have to write the question number in the margin. After that you have to write the address of the person who is sending the application. Just start everything from the left. क्वेश्चन में दिया होगा तो वहीं से लिख लेना है जैसा है वैसा, लेकिन अगर क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिया तो भी मैं बताती हूँ क्या करना है. You have to write from. In place of the name you have to write down X, Y, Z. You have to give a name of a building, name of the area, write the name of the state, give a pin code, and then write the date. The date should be today's date, means the day you are writing the application. After that you have to leave one line and then you have to write the address of the company. You will start with 2, then you will write down the manager or the director or the principal or to whoever you are writing the application. अगर ये एड्रेस भी क्वेश्चन में दिया होगा तो वहीं से कॉपी कर लेना. If this address is also not given in the question, at that time you can give any false name to the company. कोई भी नाम दे सकते हो कंपनी को. Then write the state name. After you finish the address of the company, leave one line. Then we have to write down the subject. In the subject you will write down application for the post of whatever the post is in the question. Write it here. Again leave one line, then write down respected sir, madam, put a comma, go to the next line and start from there only. Having read your advertisement for the post of in the Times of India appeared on, you have to give a date. You can write 2, 3 or 5 days before. I submit here with my resume with all my documents for your kind consideration. ये जो पैराग्राफ है इसका मतलब होता है कि मैंने आपका एडवर्टाइजमेंट पढ़ा है, आपके जॉब के लिए मैं अपना एप्लीकेशन दे रहा हूँ. नाउ यू हैव टू, नाउ दिस इज द पैराग्राफ यू कैन राइट एवरी टाइम यू राइट एन एप्लीकेशन. सिर्फ पोस्ट चेंज कर देनी है, डेट चेंज कर देनी है. After you finish all this, you have to turn your page and start on a new page. To write biodata. Now biodata is not different, it is the part of application. It is all together. So don't forget it because biodata is very important. To write biodata, always start with a new page. First you have to write down the name, address, birth, gender, nationality, languages known, marital status, if you are married or not. All this information you have to give in your biodata. After providing all this information, you have to write down the qualifications. So here is when the trouble arises, because here you have to write the qualification according to the post. So here it is. सबसे पहले SSC और HSC 10th और 12th स्टैंडर्ड कंपलसरी तुम्हें सब में लिखना है. आफ्टर दैट कम्स द कॉलेज डिग्री, 3 ईयर बैचलर और 2 इयर्स मास्टर्स. BSc और MSc साइंस से रिलेटेड पोस्ट के लिए है. BA और MA आर्ट से रिलेटेड पोस्ट के लिए है, जैसे लैंग्वेज और लिटरेचर रिलेटेड. BCom और MCom इज कॉमर्शियल रिलेटेड, जैसे फॉर अ पोस्ट ऑफ एन अकाउंटेंट. उसके बाद BBA and MBA, you can use it for any business or management post. Then there are some degrees like engineering that you can do directly after 12th. Bachelor और masters करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You can also include some diplomas like diploma in computer application, and there is B.Ed. B.Ed is for teachers. It is very compulsory to have a B.Ed degree to become a teacher. So write all the qualification and then at the end write down B.Ed. I hope this helps you. एग्ज़ाम से पहले एक बार यहाँ पे चेक कर लेना so that you can easily write the qualifications without any difficulty. After the qualification, you can also add additional qualifications. That additionally, which qualifications you have done. In this, you can write some computer courses, accounting courses, English speaking classes. After that, you have to go to experience. Experience is very important. So in experience, you can write down how many years you have been working in certain company or in certain school. After that, reason for change, you have to provide that why you are changing your job. You are changing it because you are transferring or because for better prospect. Any of the one reason you can include in reason for change. After that, you have to give reference. Reference means that you have to provide a name of a person who knows you. तुम्हें एक ऐसे आदमी का नाम लिखना है जो तुम्हें जानता है, जिसे फोन करके तुम्हारे बारे में पूछ सकते हैं कि पर्सन है वो ठीक से काम करता है या नहीं करता. So for that it is very simple. You just have to write down a name of any fake name. Then you have to write down the designation, the position of that person, like he is the manager or the director or the CEO, and then you have to give the company's name in which he is working. You can give one or two references. You can write one person or you can give two persons as reference. After that, now we are ending our application. So after that, you can write down a short paragraph in which it says that if I am selected, I shall try my best to justify my appointment with all my worth and capacity. It means कि अगर मैं select हो गया तो मैं अपना काम बहुत ही बेस्ट तरह से करूँगा जितना मेरे में capability है. After this short paragraph, you have to directly go leave one line and write down thanking you. After that, again leave one line and you have to write down yours faithfully. Now this is something most of the students forget, that is yours faithfully comes here. After writing yours faithfully, you have to give the name. If you have not mentioned the name XYZ. After that, you have to give an enclosure. Enclosure means that you have provided the true copies of the following document. Now here you will be providing them with all the mark sheets that you have, SSC, HSC, SSC, BCom, MCom, okay, any kinds of mark sheets and certificate that you have. If you have given diploma and additional courses, you can also include those certificates in this also. एडिशनल कोर्स के भी सर्टिफिकेट्स इसमें लिखने हैं तो लिख लेना. एक्सपीरियंस सर्टिफिकेट भी एक लिखना होता है इसमें, because you have written about the experience. So this was the end of your application writing, and you have to write this same thing in your examination and you can easily score marks. Here is the example of application writing. This you have to write in your notebook. I will also share it in our group. मैं इस एग्जाम्पल का एक एक्सप्लेनेशन वीडियो भी बनाऊंगी. इफ़ यू हैव एनी अदर डाउट्स रिगार्डिंग दिस, लेट मी नो. तुम्हें पता है कि एप्लीकेशन राइटिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सो देर इज़ नो रीज़न टू टेक इट लाइटली. अभी से इसे प्रिपेयर कर लो, देन यू विल हैव नो ट्रबल इन योर एग्ज़ाम. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल and stay updated to all the videos that I will upload from our syllabus.